white and black on it. I think that's Richard Saban, also out of Longview, Texas.
One of nearly a dozen red, white, blue star balloons behind him.
Yeah, that's not an RC balloon, but look how much smaller that little balloon is there. Oh,
it's a hopper. It's a hopper.
It's a hopper, yeah. It looked like for a moment there was a small basket underneath it. No, that little yellow balloon with the blue and green and the red and orange spiral that goes up around it, you can see it just crossing over the south edge of the field here to our right. And if you were looking closely, you could see the pilot's legs.
And a nice red zigzag through it.
And a sponsor banner on the side.
KRQE, one of our local TV stations. That's Funners, the name of the balloon. Kelly Keller from Box Elder, South Dakota.
And Kelly Keller, by the way, is...
The rooftop studio, we saw him this morning at Pilot's Briefing. Our balloon master, Mr. Henry Rosenbaum. Good morning, Henry. Hi, Henry. Yeah, we're having a birthday up here. What about you? You're the guy that's making this all happen. Well, there you go. This is it? Yeah.
Well, I'm trying to remember what it was because I was saying yesterday, I saw a television. Well, if we're doing shout-outs, I'll toss one out to a long-time friend in Plano, Texas, Pete Carter, who passed away, and his wife, Kathy, wanted us to remember him on the Memorial Fund today. So happy to do that. Pete was a long-time commercial leader, and we organized it at Plano Balloon Festival over in Longview, Texas. Just a couple of many that we remember a lot of your nations, and you and Jeff do a great job. Right. Well, and it's just like here at Balloon Fiesta Live, people think of Art and myself as Balloon Fiesta Live, but we have obviously been in the middle of a great production team, the side production behind us, to do all the behind the scenes work and make this happen, to bring it off as flawlessly as we do.
Al Baby Yoda y al gato, yo creo que vamos para allá a tomarse para que salgan para darse la partida Mónica.
Well, our thanks to you and all. 8 more days today, I guess 7 or 8 more days still to come together.
Yeah, each session has so many different pieces in it. Henry Rosenbaum, Balloon Buster, thanks for coming up and chatting with us. We'll chat more Darth Vader and Yoda. They are both airborne now. Saw some of our guests getting photo.
I was going to say, once we clear the field, I would suspect, especially some of the later balloons at launch,
yeah,
would then be,
or maybe those kind of in the middle.
That's been smoky here more. I haven't seen even in those empty stores or fun.
Especially today with that high bomb.
Yeah.
But you know, as the morning goes on, more and more of them are getting up in those box balloons.
Yeah, well, look overhead, kind of above us, you can see these big things, but
Yeah, and as I look kind of back behind us, there's a whole lot more.
It was. Yeah, Scott Apple. That's right. They were started in that one.
Who was flying on his hand.
Yeah. And so they also very much a safety.
Maybe a little bit better.
we've been talking about, that's actually so airborne. SW. So it's about the one that you which layer we've been watching. This is rock. This is all Space Bus. Space Bus.
Some penguins
Now there we go. Here's one of the remote what happens when the breeze that we're getting right here on the surface and now right now will go away. Second grade, breaking news. Oh yes. Thank you. I see another bingo card word out there. I'm waiting for you to pick that one up. Oh, well, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah, I think you're talking about duty. There you go. Bingo! I got it! I win. Yep, there it is. Dupa is the cheetah balloon flying here. Put there. False puddles are the splash to the puddles. Splash puddles to it. Yeah, because the original puddles was destroyed. New puddles too. But the Dupa is the cheetah. Or cheetah. It's also the registration part of the kingdom balloons from Andrew Holly.
I'm so happy my neck is better. Yeah. I'm telling you, it was literally just because we were me and that
I was kind of saying